Peabody and the Flippy Suppertime Pancakes. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. The day is almost done. We are feeling a little hungry as the moon says hello to everyone. We have some strawberries and raspberries too, and fresh eggs from the chickens to make flippy suppertime pancakes for me and you. First we crack our egg and pour milk into the cup. Then we add the flour. Now we whisk the ingredients up. Our pancake batter is looking great. Let's get our fry pan ready. A grown-up lights the stove and the butter is melting already. We pour in our batter and it starts to cook. And soon we give our pancake a flip. And after cooking this side, we flip again. Cook until golden brown is Herbie's tip. Our flippy suppertime pancake is ready. We decorate with our berries this way. Now we snuggle down for the night.